Okay, guys, good evening. Welcome to Mindverse Bootcamp. This is a live trading and analysis. It's not really for investors, it's mostly for scalpers and swing traders or day traders. Give me a minute. We're going live on YouTube. The channel name is Mindverse Bootcamp, youtube.com/@Mindverse Bootcamp. Keep watching, boys. Here you go, starting the show. I'm unable to see the 10-minute chart. Can I just we're getting a pivot point at the price is 69.170. Copy. MACD in 3-minute charts is going bullish, and the stochastic RSI is near lower low, so it's definitely not a bull. No. 1-minute chart is also near lower low. This is called a momentum time waiting. Here we go, the previous chart. This was the today's morning trade, approximately 10:35 a.m. and it was closed at 1:50 p.m. like, calculate 10টা থেকে 1:55, that is 3 hours. It took a 3 hours trade. Okay, we have probable support at 68.7k, and the resistance. Is this a pivot point? Yes, it was a support, but right now it is a resistance. I'm gonna just close this previous long short trade. It was closed. The last profit was let me show you, 1.2k. That is kind of 10 rupees tax excluding. The delta exchange is creating history actually, because the amount of tax they're getting, this is, really awesome. Anyway, thank you guys. Come to YouTube live. This is really great show. Everybody is welcome. Everybody in the sense whoever interested in blockchain or live trading or any other things, you guys can come and watch the show. We're trying to bring a podcast about politics and other financial instruments, but we need a really intellectual members for that, which is not really available right now. Anyway, we got 2 pivot points here. One is in 69.1k and another is below 68.3k. So temporarily we can assume that the market is going up and down here until it breaks up or breaks down. That's what I'm calculating. This was my previous trend line, and I guess the trend is ended here at 4:15 p.m. So after that, these trend lines is going up. These candles are going up. This 5-minute candle chart, let me check on the 15 minutes. Is there any? No, there is no resistance. Oh, this could be a really great chance. Let's check other analytics. Open interest in Maxpin 70,000. Of course it's going bullish. No, sorry. I should not. Yeah, Maxpin is 70k and low is 69.1. Yeah, you can guess more or less. It can go. Jayega. but it will take a long time, maybe 3 to 5 hours. I can't hear you. শোনা যাচ্ছে না ভালো। Yeah. Yeah. Depending on the current market scenario, if it changes after 10 minutes, no, it's not change after 10 minutes. It's gonna change if it change. That would be a really exceptional concept that it will change the trend in 10 minutes. Otherwise it will change 1 or 2 hours minimum. Okay, let's check the volume. Volume is bearish. Open interest is calls are 43.5. Open interest bullish. Volume is bearish and recent trade, let me check. Recent trade is bearish. But we have support at 69k. That's including call buy and put sales. Give me a minute. I have checked the other. I have some other word came up. Just keep down. I'm also eating. Is this really considerable? I'm not really sure the Delta Access provide the actual real-time data, but we are trading on this data, so we can expect that it's good and logical, unless we find some flaw. I know. Anyway, I'd like to talk about the sponsors here. Somebody is paying us to do this, right? So those somebodies are, thank you, Bangman LLP. You guys can log into bangman.in for blockchain services. It's a business to business services, so there's no client or consumer products, only businesses can contact. And other sponsors are like Siphon. Is really a intellectual trader. Complete fundamental analysis we can get from Siphon. We do get from Siphon regularly actually. And there is Caslock. He is really good at algo. He is based at algo actually in our organization. And Mindverse. Mindverse Bootcamp is a subsidiary company of Bangman LLP, definitely dedicated to market analysis and mostly blockchain influenced products like decentralized cryptocurrencies or decentralized apps, blah blah blah. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put this tab on auto mode, and I have other things to do. Let's see how it goes. Okay, chill out, and we hope it's go for it. I think I can buy here. It did not break really on a 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, 1 minute. It really didn't break. If it breaks, then we can buy here at Broadband price, the exact Broadband price, which is 69,146. No, not here. Here, because there is a 5-minute resistance. This could be a fatal point. This is small, but we'll buy here 69,268. Let me, yeah, correct. This is where we buy. I'm gonna change the color to red. And can you guys hear me? Yeah. Let's put the chart on auto mode, and here we go. I'm closing in. Keep watching guys, stay tuned. So as I was saying, it was, yeah, it seems like I miscalculated, but there's still time, no, because we got support here, so it can hit here and hit back. Now let me make an art of this. Where is this? Yeah, let's just expect it coming it from here, then hit here and go back here, then it will come back here and cross over. That's what's gonna happen. No, that's not what's gonna happen. That may happen in the next 3 to 4 hours. If it happens, that's where we'll buy. If it breaks out, then it will definitely go where? Just 200, that is 70. Yeah, 69 to 100. There is no max pin right now. Okay, let me check. Max pin is 7,000. Yeah, if it happens, the market will go above 70,000. That is here. Oh shit, man. Let me mark it. This is where the market will reach, and then I definitely, I don't know, I'm not God. If it breaks out, this is where will get the momentum. That is 800 points. I mean 800 US dollars. So let's move according to this, right? Let's check this lower low, high, and there will be other complications obviously, but okay. Keep it cool. I forgot to put all those in dark mode because it's night. Yeah, sometimes I forget it's night or day. Yeah. No, I'm not married. But I'm gonna get married soon. Let's not talk about personal things. You can ask me about anything blockchain, especially layer 2 scaling solutions, because this topic is hit, and wave 3 also. I'd really like to talk about wave 3 blockchain and other decentralized financial instruments. DFs is not really popular in India right now. Slowly coming in. Yeah. Is it okay? Okay, get it. I'll be just off for some time, so just give me a minute, guys. One more thing, guys. I think I have mistakenly took a company name that should not be took, on a live stream, because it's a live stream and without any paid promotion, so we're not really getting paid for this ad. So I was not supposed to take any name of the company. So, and it could violate copyright strike. We can get copyright strike for that. I just remembered actually after that. I was eating something like, okay, let's go. No random commenter. Yeah, it's a good thing to ask names, but I would like to request you not to ask names, because this is not a private channel. It's a company affiliated channel, so we cannot disclose our names. We should not actually. Yeah, we can call us. You can call us anyone, anything. Except sir, we are not sirs actually. You can call us Trader 1, Trader 2, Trader 3. That's it. Do you know why I am actually suggesting this? Because I have learned in my whole life, I have joined the MNC in 2016. I started from Airtel call center actually. Again, I'm taking a company name, I'm sorry. I started career with a call center. Technically straightforward, taking telecommunication calls, balance क्यों कट गया and internet slow है. That's all these problems. So that's why I started my career in 2016 and till 2021. So that is 5 years of corporate career. So in 5 years of corporate career, I have learned one most valuable thing in my life. It not just applied for business, it also applies for anything in your life, anything you do. That is confidence. I think I should not say this secret formula, but as you guys taken me in this position, so I think I should say I have no option, right? So that formula is the key to successful business is confidentiality. Yes, sometimes I have pronunciation issue. I have actually stage fear. Yes, there is no stage, but I am talking to the public, and that's what excites me, and it gives me anxiety and other things. Anyway, so in my 5 years of corporate career, I have learned that the key to successful business is confidentiality, and it is also said by our Tavlin. She is our former CTO, Chief Technology Officer. Right now she is handling machine learning. That's a great thing actually. I did not know coding at least until 2020. I think I have to take name of a company, another company. I don't know. This should be bad. It should be good. It should be good. So I was working in Wipro. We're working at Wipro, so I think I should, explain it later sometimes. It was really bad time. Yeah, you said right. If we had taken a short here, we could get a 500 point gain. There was no shear shot. There was no shear shot actually. It's a pivot point. It's not a resistance. Resistance starts here. And I was also not focused properly, I think. That's what's right. Guys, I need to check my audio console because it's having echo and other things. Is it audible? Yeah. audible. Yeah, now it's also audible. We did not boost any. Yeah, AEC. There is an option like AUC that says AEC removes the acoustic echo coupled into microphones from loudspeaker output through air. It cannot disclose it, right? What is this noise suppression reduce ambient? Station. Oh, yeah. I think I have technically, backward. We are millennials. No, we are now like old generation. Right now, the corporate sector in MNC is led by sorry. That's what British English and Indian English do to you. Way to mix up. So right now, Gen Z is trying. There was an intern of mine. It is a female intern. She's from Nigeria. Yeah, it is from outsourcing, and she gave me an excuse of not logging in for a day of her health issue, and she straightforward told me that she needs to buy tampons whole day, and that's why he cannot log in. So these kind of problems we're facing. And you cannot call it a problem because it's a natural cost, not a woman having to buy tampons. That's a real natural cost. But the true point is that we are giving that environment. That's what remote jobs should give actually. When I was now that Wipro part comes in. When I was working at Wipro, we got at least 3 to 4 months of exemption from work. Not really exemption from work. They gave us desktop PCs, laptops, whichever is available in the company right now. Back then, we took the desktops. I took desktops. One of my friends took a laptop, and we came back to home. They provided us the work from home facilities, and we got paid for 4 months without even working. There's no work. It's a COVID. It was lockdown all the way. Like it started from 2020 March and ended at September or October, like that. I gave up on December actually. Then my parent died. My father passed away, and then I came back to home, and then I rejoined in 2021 February. I continued till before September 2021. That was the last day I went to the office. That's how it is. Look, Bitcoin is not bad. Bitcoin is influenced mostly from the outer world market and mostly from US. Excuse me. Bitcoin is influenced mostly from US markets because it's mostly influenced by US market because Bitcoin actually started from the US soil, no? Satoshi Nakamoto. We don't know actually. Nobody knows where he is and even if he exists. After this crash, that 2 trillion crash, I don't know the exact amount. I have to search the internet. How much she lost, she or he, whichever he is. Let's give me a minute. Let me check on the internet. I'll not just tell you from my information. I'm gonna search Google. This is definitely I have to do it now. So here is the logical details, that is total amount roughly roughly 10 lakhs 96k to 1 lakh 100k BTC. That should be enough, and value over at least $129 billion USD. It's not more than Elon Musk have more, according to NDTV and India Today. But these are not verified details actually, these are approximate more or less details, as assumption, because nobody knows who is Nakamoto is. These coins have never been moved or spent. Exactly, these coins have never been moved or spent. The holdings are spent across roughly 22,000 different addresses, reported by Arkham Research and Facebook. If these funds were ever moved, it would likely cause massive disruption to the Bitcoin market, according to Cointelegraph, NDTV and CoinGecko. And it's true actually. This amount of Bitcoin, if they move this amount of Bitcoin or spend this amount of Bitcoin, then definitely the market is gonna crash. We see here is some support is making the yeah, there no, it's gonna fall. There's resistance, the 30-minute support, we got 60-minute resistance, 50-minute, 5-minute. It's a fucked up situation right now. Either it will break down or it will go up. If it doesn't break down, we'll buy here. If it does break down, we'll sell here. Then I guess we are near momentum. It's time to check the 50-minute chart and hold on. So let me explain some details I've learned. So Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, he is actually estimated to possess approximately 1.1 million Bitcoin. That's really fucked up. 1.1 million Bitcoin, converted to INR or US dollar, that is really great. Beyond in the multiverse, literally in financial world. This vast fortune was accumulated through early mining activity between 2009 and 2010. First he invented the Bitcoin, he released the white paper, he installed it in the blockchain layer 1, and then he started mining his own Bitcoin. And I remember back then in 2012, the Bitcoin was valued at $10 to $20 max, right? Now his current date of as of February 2026, Satoshi's net worth is approximately $100 billion based on recent Bitcoin prices. And it's less actually. Bitcoin has dropped. If Bitcoin goes up again, that's gonna go at least 40% above, like $140 billion. Global wealth ranking. The holding place Satoshi this holding place Satoshi as the world's 25th wealthiest person, according to Forbes real-time billionaire rankings. 25th. First is which Elon Musk, right? The owner of Nikola Tesla, I guess, or someone else. There are two, three person who comes first, second. That's it. Peak valuation during the 2025 market rally. Yes, 2025 market rally in the near December, October, that was really bombastic when Bitcoin surpassed around 123k. That's huge. Satoshi's wealth reached a peak of 135 billion. That's what I was talking. That is 35%. 35% of right now. That is right now 101 billion and 40-35% more or less. Briefly ranking them as the 11th richest person globally. Key details of holdings. Let's see. Total supply. Satoshi's 1.1 BTC represents roughly 4.8% to 5.5% of the total 21 million Bitcoin supply. Dormancy is usual. These coins are spread across approximately 22,000 wallet addresses. They have remained completely untouched since Satoshi disappeared in 2011. So he was available in 2009, but he disappeared in 2011 after mining his $100 billion Bitcoin. Imagine how much GPU power you will need to mine those amount of bitcoins. This really hard. Yeah, in today's time, to mine 0.00003 bitcoin, it will cost at least $1,000 per 10 days per week. That is $4,000 per month. Yeah, $4,000 per month. That is what is 36,000 INR. Yeah. Now identifications and define this wallet using Satoshi pattern as a unique technical strategy. Only mined blocks discovered by Satoshi Nakamoto. Actually, nobody knew him. The Genesis address. The Genesis address is here. I cannot disclose it. You can search it from the Google. And this Genesis address actually holds the rewards from the very first Bitcoin block and currently contains over 104 BTC due to continued tribute transfers from the community. 110 just this address. Can I believe that? Exempting his other account and holdings. Anyway guys, I think I'm talking too much. I think I should consider a trade, and I'm gonna buy here. Let's just wait and see. I'm gonna check this trend line into yellow because it's black background now. Yeah, here we are. Let's see how it goes. Continue watching guys. So guys, there are a lot of resistance here. So there is a chance to short. There is a chance to short if it breaks the pivot point. It broke the pivot point at 743, but it was not confirmed. We need a second candle below this pivot point. The second candle will confirm the breakdown and will short. So this is the exact moment where we have to identify the candles. The candle will tell us if it's going up or going down. Okay. Manomamu will be. I got what I should call him, a mentor, a friend, I've learned all this from this. Everyone needs a mentor for this kind of works. Here we go. Here you go means, as far as I can say, from my experience, there is Bitcoin is making a rectangle here from higher high, lower low, and here we go. Locked. I don't know if it's a full. Give me a minute to continue on this shit. It is not going right away, but okay. So the chart we are seeing here, it really considers the Bitcoin rectangle right now from the price 68.7k. This is higher high, and lower low is from 68.2k. That's lower low, and we're gonna short out above here, and the next pivot point is here. So if it takes support here and go off, then we should buy, and we can make a profit of around 68.5k and 61k. That is 600 points of gain. Yeah, that's for my human knowledge, as long as I've understood. Let's check the Delta Exchange Analytics, which is, let's check the open interest. Open interest is as usual, just like I said. The max pin would be 70k and current price is 68.589. That is like more than 400. No, more than sorry, $1,400. That $1,400 can get you a lot of money actually. If you really expect, let's check other volume. Volume is very rich. Volume is day 1. No, let's check all. It's all bearish. Day expiry 10th February expiry. It is also bearish. And taker activity low. Recent trades taker activities. You won't believe taker is bearish. 68,600 bearish. Now 655. That is bullish. It's going up. It's going straight up. I'm buying here. But this buy is also not insured, right? I'm taking take profit in this pivot below and a sell below this pivot, at least below this one, right? Otherwise it will take a Icelandic candle and everything will go boom, right? Okay. That is a 10% of capital. Yeah. So here's the rectangle we're waiting, and this is the region. This should be an entry, but we are waiting for confirmation here. I was talking and I was busy talking to you guys, and I did not notice the entry point, but it's all right. Now it's going up. Here you can see in 1 minute chart, it's upper higher high. In 3 minutes, it's higher high, taking support pivot point. Let's watch and observe, guys. I'm going mute. Let's put this tab on auto mode. Thank you. Please subscribe and like. If you guys understand, please comment on YouTube. Tell your friends that there's a YouTube channel live going on. And to learn stock market trading and Bitcoin, please log into bowman.com, BONGGMEN.com. Thank you guys. Keep watching. We'll be live probably till 9 or 10 p.m. So we bought and installed Take Profit, and it's going really nice. That is, I mean, forget the profit. This amount is not really considerable, but okay, it's the strategy is working, right? That's the point. That's the point of whole this live streaming. We're not live streaming to make profit. We're live streaming to, make the strategist more accurate. And this strategy is really working. There should have been a resistance, but it broke out, and almost we're near almost about take profit. These strategies are for scalpers, not for swing traders, not for investors, right? These trading strategies for scalpers, only for scalpers who are trying to, trade with like 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs INR. These strategies are for them, not for people who are trying to, make profit in 10,000 rupees. That don't come to trading. Just don't. So as you guys saw that we execute the trade at price that is at price we exit the trade at price 69.1k. yeah, and this is definitely a good strategy. It's it is just a 451 rupees profit for the day, and at morning I earned 1.2k. So today's earning approximately 1.5k, you can call it more or less, per day, what it should be per month. Multiply 1.5k into 30. Welcome to the club. I am also a member. The only difference is that you have to listen to your boss, and I don't have a boss. I am the boss. That's the difference between business and corporate jobs. And that's what I've learned from 2020 to 2025. In the last 5 years, that's what I've learned, that business is better than jobs. And right now government jobs is also worst like MNCs. Same, you have to meet targets, you have to meet deadlines, you have to meet the conclusions and all, and you have to also get bullied by your boss. I don't have a boss, I don't get bullied. Anyway, keep watching. We'll take another trade, I guess. If we get a momentum from downwards, we'll wait till the candle reaches here at 70k approx. Then there is a chance to go down again, because there is a max pain of 70. No, there is a miscalculation. The max pain reached to 74k, 74.8k. so there is gas up, going down, going up, both. This is not the right time to make a trade. This is the time to observe, because MACD is in between, in 3-minute chart and 1-minute chart both. So keep watching, guys. I'm just gonna put the tab on auto mode so that you can see everything on 10 seconds. Mic out, saggy goes off. So I would just like to explain this details of last trade. Here we go. So balance before is this and balance after is this, and it is not visible on this live session because of this logo. Anyway, this was the price 451 INR. It is a profit amount, and this 5.025 4.98 is the tax amount. It just is Indian GST, but we have to pay other SST and other charges when we withdraw this amount of profit. So the tax is more than this one. You may think this only 10 rupees tax on 451 rupees, but it's not true. There are more tax. In 451.44 INR, that tax would be like 28%, 30%. That is 1/3, right? So just exclude 150 or 200 from this one, and that's the real profit. So guys, আমি এর আগে এভাবে লাইভ ট্রেডিং করি নাই, তো definitely this is going awkward, but then I'm trying to do this as usual. My and our LP's motto is to educate people about trading, because trading is really good thing until you go into gambling. Expecting a profit percentage of like 9 to 8% or max to 10% out of your 9 to 10% out of your capital amount is literally logical, but not more than 10%. More than 10%, it should be gambling. It will feel like gambling. Whoever tries to trade and make profit more than 10%, that will feel like like illegal trading, because that's not logical. There will be no mathematical calculation for that trade. Yeah, trading doesn't require a rocket science education, but it definitely needs cognitive thinking, and obviously psychology matters. If you are sad, if you're broke, if you're heartbroken, if you're in tension, if you're in depression, if you're in anxiety, then you should not trade. Not in Indian indices or in Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency. Just don't trade. If you're emotionally influenced, just don't trade. I have tried to trade from 2020 to 2030. For 3 years, I faced just losses, big losses. Like I have lost more than 10 lakhs on this market, including Indian indices, Nifty 50, Sensex and Bitcoin. So that is not the actual way of trading. If you want to make profit on trading, if you want to be profitable on trading, be it Bitcoin, be it any cryptocurrency or any other Indian indices, you have to be emotionally strong. Actually, to be frank, you have to be emotionally blank. Yeah, you cannot have any emotions. If you do have emotions, you don't deserve to trade. Actually, to trade, you have to burn out your emotions. Forget your emotions. Forget that you have emotions. Forget that you have feelings. You just do trades. That's it. That's how you become profitable in trading. Otherwise, if you are too emotional, you should not come into trading. Because in trading, be it cryptocurrency, be it Indian indices, be it US indices, German indices, whatever it is, if you are emotional, your trading decisions will be affected. I have tried it, I have faced it. I have lost more than 5 to 10 lakhs in a matter of months, like 6 to 7 months. I lost more than 5 lakhs in 6 to 7 months. So definitely emotion affects trading. That's where I learned it. Anyway guys, keep watching. There is a resistance we got in a 5-minute chart, and I'm hoping this will break out, and it is breaking out. So this trade I'm taking, it is really a risky trade. I may lose all my profit of whole day, but yet I'm taking this trade I'm keeping very less take profit. Oh, it was buy. Well, this is gonna be hurdle. Yeah, this is really gonna be a hurdle, and the SL will be set 1/3. That should be here. Here. So this is the trade we're taking right now. This is gonna be a strategy testing trade. Give me a minute. There we go. Yeah. There's the take profit, and there's the SL, and what I guessed is 1.4. 1:4 profit stop loss ratio. I'm locking in. Let's go on. Anyway, please guys log into Facebook and please subscribe, like and comment and share to your friends whoever watching this live stream. And we're doing live stream every day. We don't really announce that we're doing live stream. If you guys interested about blockchain trading and trading on any Indian indices, you guys can subscribe and comment, and you guys can ask questions in this interactive sessions when we're doing live. So please comment and subscribe and share, and we need more subscribers right now, and keep watching the trading. Here the show real-time CFO Bombay LP. We're giving live analysis for Bitcoin right now. Chill out. But guys, I think it's time for the next trade. I think I don't have to wait. This is gonna hit so hard right now. We got confirmation in 1 minute chart. I did not see it, but I am sure. Oh no, we did not really get any confirmation, but this candle should be considered as a confirmation, but it is not, because the whole candle is below this red line I have marked, but it's above the pivot point as per the Lux algo. I am also using algorithm trading, so we need a whole candle here, be it red, be it green, it doesn't matter, but we need a whole candle here for confirmation. After the confirmation, I'm gonna exit this trading. I'm gonna exit this live stream. Yeah, I'm currently I'm trading from Santa Clara. Yeah, Rajiv wants to know that where I am doing all this, guys. Buddy, I am doing this trading live from Santa Clara, Cuba. I am currently staying in Cuba. That's why we are paying low taxes. We are circulating the money to reduce taxes. That's what we really have to do. If you are trading cryptocurrency from India, you are not gonna make any profit. Literally zero profit. Yeah, you may execute and take profit like 300 INR per trade, and if you trade for like if you execute 10 to 15 trades, be it 10 trades, let's hold it like 10 trades, that is 310, like 3k profit overall for the day, right? But you have to pay more than 1800 for taxes. So out of 300 out of 3k profit, you get only 1200. 1800 you have to pay for taxes. That's why we are circulating this trading from several countries using VPN, and we're trading currently from Cuba. And Cuba is a tax-free country. That's how you save taxes. You see? So if you were trading in cryptocurrency, Delta Exchange, or any other foreign cryptocurrency exchanges like Deribit or TradeStation or TradeX, trade from an IP address that belongs to a tax-free country. We are trading from an IP address that belongs to Cuba, Santa Clara, and that's a tax-free country. That's why we are only paying the Delta Exchange tax, because I'm using the Delta Exchange, and Delta Exchange is based on India and they are following Indian regulatories, so we have to follow up the Indian regulatories, otherwise we'll be under tax frauding cases. That's why save tax, because India is right now did not really execute any kind of regulation on cryptocurrencies. I mean, if you lose your wallet, if you lose your digital wallet or any physical wallet, you don't get to oppose on the court to recover your assets. That's the real fault in the Indian market. But most of the traders are hoping that the government will regulate the cryptocurrency. It will be better if to regulate the cryptocurrency and decrease the taxes. Taxes is the most even if the commercial products are getting 18 to 20% taxes, but we are paying more than 28%. 28% is the lowest. That is GST for foreign exchange, be it gold to INR, USD to INR, or Bitcoin to INR. Bitcoin to INR only applies for Delta Exchange. Mostly it's Coinbase and Bybit. That is Bitcoin to USD. Yeah. So guys, before it hits the take profit, it broke out above 69.7k. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna hit the take profit and we'll get the profit. What is the profit right now going? Let me check. That is 455, and our overall realized profit for the day is 5,440. That's what I'm talking. I'm trading only with 1 lakh. That is 1 lakh after 3 years actually. I started with 10k for Bitcoin You know, I imagine that this 10k I'm spending on the lottery, either it will come back or it will go, and it came back with 1,75k. That's the fuck up shit just happened in Bitcoin. And actually Bitcoin in these kind of shit happen only in Bitcoin and Ethereum actually. And no other you'll not find in no other cryptocurrencies. Because the volume is high. Mostly the volume is high, you can check. You know, let me show you. Watch this volume. The price, you know, the price is 69.689k and 69.571k. The price, you know, roam around here a long time. That's why this volume is too high and it almost made a support here. Can you believe that? So definitely I'm expecting this that these candles are gonna hit this take profit. We are definitely making profit. There is no chance of loss. 550, it will go up more. So I'm gonna just exit the stream right now. It's been 1.5 hours, like 1 point. Oh shit. So everyone's got a dinner time, right? And guys, keep sharing, like and comment and subscribe. And I'm gonna say this repeatedly from today because you know it's high time and we need more growth. We got a support here. It will go up for like what is that, 838. You know, by 9:30 it will take it profit. It will take profit. It will hit take profit. So I'm gonna just take the trade and show you the stay tuned page. How do you like it, guys? Yeah, thank you guys, good night, and I will see you guys, you know, in the morning. Yeah, this is gonna end. Good night, boys.